Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for the segment, we have Brittany Bagley, CFO of Nasdaq-listed Sonos. Brittany, it's great to see you again. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thank you for having me again. Great to be here.
You got it. And Sonos reported earnings on November 17th. What were some of the fiscal 2021 highlights?
We had an absolutely fantastic fiscal year 21. We grew revenue 29%. We had strong gross margins of almost 47%. And we increased our EBITDA from an 8% margin to 16.2%, generating over $208 million of free cash flow. It was just a terrific year for us financially.
And what do you think contributed to the demand, with the exception of me wiring my entire house with Sonos, which, by the way, watching sports with the Sonos system is pretty cool?
Well, thank you for doing that. That is a lot of what contributed to our success in the year. We grew our new households at 15%. And at the same time, our existing customers love to come back. 46% of our registered products actually came from our existing households, adding more products and buying more. And I attribute that to just having a really great product lineup this year. Our new product, Roam, lets you get outside the house and take it anywhere. So stay at home, go on the move, go to the park. We've got something for you.
And Sonos has remained on track to achieve its 16th year of consecutive revenue growth amid industry disruption. How do you plan to sustain that momentum throughout fiscal 2022?
We have continued to see just terrific demand from our customers who are continuing to invest in their homes and in their sound systems or their TV systems. And we see that going forward into fiscal year 22. We have guidance of 12 to 16% revenue growth just based on the top of that strong customer demand for our products.
Do you expect the trends that emerge from the pandemic, such as investing into one's home, to continue? And what's the strategy for longer-term growth?
We sure do. We actually continued to maintain our strong long-term growth rate of a 13% CAGR, even on top of what was a record fiscal year 21, better than we thought. And, you know, we see some really strong macro trends behind the business. So yes, people continuing to invest in their home. We've talked about the great reshuffling, and then we've talked about Hollywood at home. People are really enjoying watching content or listening to content in their homes. You know, you're watching sports. I'm watching, you know, some Disney movies with my kids. It's great to stay at home and do it from my living room.
All right, Brittany, we appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.